Good morning, class. I'm Miss Bobby.
And I'm Miss Rachel. Today we will measure the weights of different objects found throughout the classroom. We will also be guessing or estimating the weights of the objects. I will teach you a chant to use when we compare the weights of objects.
We are going to pretend our bodies are a scale. Does anyone know what a scale is? Brianna?
A tool used to measure weights.
Very good, Brianna. A scale is a tool that we can use to measure weight. Can you show me with your arms what a scale would look like? Good job.
We're using our bodies as scales today to compare objects that have different weights. Pretend that you have two items in your hand, a feather and an elephant. Let's tip side to side. The hand that has the elephant in it should be closer to the ground because it's so heavy. Let's see what it looks like on our scale.
Yikes, that elephant sure is heavier than our feather.
Today when we measure the weight of our objects, we will say a short chant. It goes like this.
We have two things, let's measure and see which one seems heavier to me.
Let's try this chant together.
We have two things, let's measure and see which one seems heavier to me. Which object do you guess or estimate will be heavier? A rock or a crayon? Shelby?
A rock.
Let's try it out on our scale. That rock is heavier. Good job, Shelby.
Let's try a few more things. Applesauce in a spoon.
We have two things, let's measure and see which one seems heavier to me. Brianna?
The applesauce.
Let's see. Very good, Brianna.
We have a quarter and we have a dime. Which do you think is heavier? Shelby?
Quarter.
Let's try it out. The dime and the quarter. Which one's heavier? That quarter looks much heavier.
Let's try one more. An iPod and a rubber band. We have two things. Let's measure and see
which one seems heavier to me. Brianna?
The iPod.
Let's see. Very good, Brianna. The iPod is heavier than the rubber band.